In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set precise object sizes and positions using the Size and Position pane in PowerPoint. Let's jump right in. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. This should just take a moment, and once you're in, open the presentation you're working on or start a new one as needed. Next, locate the object you want to resize or reposition. This could be a shape, an image, or even a text box within your slide. Click on that object to select it, highlighting it for further adjustments. Once you have your object selected, perform a right-click on it, which will open up a context menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose the Format Shape option. Clicking on this option will bring up the Format Shape task pane on the right side of your screen. This task pane is a vital tool, providing a host of capabilities for fine-tuning your object's appearance. With the Format Shape pane visible, direct your attention to the icons at the top and click on the Size and Properties icon. This section is specifically designed for managing dimensions and positioning. Now that you're in the right place, look for the Size section. Here, you can enter precise values for both height and width of the object. This is particularly useful if you have specific dimensions in mind or need to match the size of another element in your slide. As you make these changes, keep in mind that you can specify the unit of measurement, opting for inches, centimeters, or whatever suits your project requirements. If maintaining the object's proportions is essential, ensure you check the Lock Aspect Ratio box. This handy feature will ensure that as you change the height or width of the object, the other dimension automatically adjusts to maintain the original proportions, preventing any unwanted stretching or squeezing. Now, with the Size and Properties section still open, it's time to navigate over to the Position tab. This is where the magic of precise placement happens. In the Position on Page section, enter the exact measurements for the horizontal position and the vertical position of your object. By default, these values are measured from the top left corner of your slide, allowing you to pinpoint where your object will sit on the slide canvas. And there you have it, a methodical approach to setting exact dimensions and positions for objects in PowerPoint using the Size and Position pane. This technique helps in achieving a polished and professional look by ensuring that every element in your presentation is exactly where you want it to be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.